Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI cut in InShot to auto remove poses and filler words. So if you want flawless, smooth videos without those awkward pauses and moments, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the InShot's AI cut feature to automatically remove pauses and filler words in just a few taps. So what you need to do first is open InShot on your device, and then you can just tap on video and choose the videos that you want to edit. You can tap on new and select the video. Here I'm going to just open an existing project. Okay, so now what you need to do is you can just find the AI cut feature to trim unnecessary poses. So you can just swipe on this toolbar until you find AI cut, this one. So by using this, you can auto detect and remove pauses and filler words in the videos. And the supported language is there are a few options: English, Portuguese, Spanish, Turkish, Indonesian, and German. Let's just tap on start, and InShot will try to analyzing the audio. AI cut is still in progress, searching for segments. And now you can see this is the analyzing captions on the video, and there are one segment removed. You can just scroll down to see this one, yo, because this considered as poses or like filler words, and after that it will remove. You can also choose the options or the actions in here, but if you already if you want to just remove it, you can just leave it as it is. Tap on the check icon, and now you can if you want to edit again, you can tap on edit, but if you're not, you can just click on the check icon. So that's it. The poses or the filler words will automatically remove from your video. So that's pretty much it. So there's no boring choppy videos again. You can just let AI do the hard work for you, especially in InShot. So thank you so much for watching. If you like with this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up and click on the thanks button. If you already try the AI cut, you can share your experience in the comments. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.